Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage machine learning models with DataRobot detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin managing machine learning models with DataRobot, first, log into your DataRobot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects tab on the main dashboard. Click on New Project to create a new project for your machine learning models. Upload your dataset by selecting Upload Dataset, then choose the file you want to work with. After your dataset is uploaded, DataRobot will automatically analyze its structure. Review the summary of your dataset, including the number of rows and columns and any missing values. Next, select the target variable that you want your model to predict. Once you've chosen your target variable, click on Start Modeling. DataRobot will then automatically begin training a range of models using various algorithms. Monitor the progress of the modeling process in the interface. After training, you'll be presented with a leaderboard showcasing the performance of each model. Review the metrics displayed, such as accuracy, AUC, and log loss, to identify the best performing model. Click on the best model in the leaderboard for a more detailed analysis of its performance. Explore the Insights tab to understand key features contributing to the model's predictions. If satisfied with the results, click on Deploy to make the model available for use. During deployment, configure settings like prediction frequency and API options as needed. Once deployed, DataRobot will provide you with an API endpoint for integration with your applications. You can test the deployed model using the predictions interface by inputting new data. Review the predictions generated to ensure they meet your expectations. If changes are necessary, consider retraining the model with adjusted parameters or additional data. DataRobot allows you to manage and version your models effectively, enabling you to revisit past models for comparison. Utilize the model registry to store different versions of your models for easy retrieval. Periodically check the model's performance over time and retrain as needed to maintain accuracy. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage machine learning models using DataRobot's powerful features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.